This is TelecomsTalk at the FTTH event in London. I have with me Frankie Brewer, who is one of the leading researchers for Informa Telecoms, one of the world's leading exhibitions and conference organisers. Frankie, I see you're here, had a busy day by the looks of it.
Yeah,
what's the next big job you're working on?
Well, our next event on the calendar is actually our Broadband MEA event, which is coming up in March in 4 or 5 weeks. That's held in Dubai. We've got some fantastic operators already signed up to join us as keynote speakers right throughout the two-track program, and a great exhibition in store as well. But our flagship show, our really big show of the year, is the Broadband World Forum in October. And already planning has started happening for that. In January we had our planning meeting with all of our key stakeholders. We've had some great support from the ministry in the Netherlands and from Amsterdam. And we've already signed up some of our great keynote speakers for that show as well. So that's the CTO of Deutsche Telekom and the CTO of KPN, who are our host service provider again for 2013 as they were last year. So we've really hit the ground running for 2013, planning for the Broadband World Forum Global Series. We're very excited about the new events that we're launching into the series as well, and really building a lot of momentum around the flagship show as well.
Yes, because of course FTTH is one of the broadband solutions, so obviously you must be really interested in being here. Yeah. And I guess you've got several customers who are also here. Yeah,
a lot of our key clients are here. Adtran, Prismian, we see a lot of the people here that we partner with on our shows. And it's also a great opportunity just for us to touch base with a lot of our partners from the Broadband Forum right through to some of our analyst partners in iDate. And of course to meet some of the really senior decision makers from operators who are leading the way with their fibre deployments, because for us it's about looking at really what's happening in the market, who the leaders are, and then we use that to showcase and further discuss that at Broadband World Forum. So FTTH Council event is a really great platform for us as well.
Yes, because I guess as a researcher, one of the challenges for you is to keep up with this such a fast-paced industry that we have.
Yeah, absolutely. There's always something different in this market, and it's really hard to keep track of it all. And certainly from my perspective as a researcher and for my work putting the program together for Broadband World Forum, it's always about, okay, how do we find out who the right speakers are, who's doing something really edgy, who's doing something new and interesting, but not just the products and the technology, but what strategies, what business models are emerging, and how can we talk more about that and really flesh that out in discussion at Broadband World Forum.
Okay, great. Well, good luck with it, and we'll be there in Amsterdam.
I look forward to it. Thanks very much, Brian.